Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna showing you how to make flowers with polymer clay. So guys, let's begin with our flower. And so here I'm gonna using pink polymer clay. And now I will just divide this piece of polymer clay into 5 small circles. So guys, now I have divided the big part of polymer clay into 5 small parts. Here you can see. And now I will give them proper shape. We will put this into our pan and we will put it in our pan. Join these 5 circles. You can also make this with 4 petals, but I will prefer it to making with 5 petals. Like this, and just flatten them. So now you can see that it will have shape some like this. Now here I'm having small part of yellow polymer clay, and I will use this to make bird, which we will insert in the middle of the flower. So here now I will put this into the center of this flower. Now I will press this over this flower. You have to just flat these petals with your finger end. And there we are completed with our flowers. I hope you will like my flowers and will try this. Don't forget to like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye till my next video.